Hello viewer, in this video I am reviewing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. In this review, the user shared their experience with the iPhone 16 Pro Max in desert titanium, comparing it to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. While impressed with the larger 6.9-inch display and smoother back texture, the accounted issue during setup and were disappointed with the new camera control button functionality. Minor improvements include a brighter display and slightly enhanced low light photography, but many new features such as Apple Intelligence are delayed. Overall, the user feel the iPhone 16 Pro Max offer a marginal upgrade, leaving them underwhelmed. The user has been using the iPhone 16 Pro Max in desert titanium due to delay in receiving the black unit. The phone feels slightly bigger than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but not uncomfortably so with the smoother back texture. The setup process for transferring data from the iPhone 15 Pro Max was glitchy, requiring multiple attempts to complete. Typing on the wider display is easier, but the haptic feel weaker and less uniform compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The camera control button is poorly placed and awkward to use. One-handed thought is offer quick camera launch capability. Daytime photo on the iPhone 16 Pro Max show minimal improvement over the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but night shots are slightly sharper with less noise. The bezels are thinner on the desert titanium model, but this is mainly due to the frame visibility and many thicker on the black version. Battery life is noticeable better, offering around a 20% improvement over the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The 4K and 120 fps video mode has a limitation, such as only working with the main laser and casing flickering in some scenario. Features like Apple Intelligence and Visual Intelligence are delayed and will not be available until 2025, making the phone feel incomplete at launch. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.